Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very fun, exciting video. I've never done one of these before, and I was actually on YouTube and I came across this one video that we're trying the Ariana Grande ponytail. So I thought, you know what, that'd be kind of neat, like a fun video to do. You know, I've never ever had any type of extensions, fake hair of any sort. I actually went to a store by where I live and I bought this ponytail right here. This thing is massive. It is the Vivica Fox hair collection ponytail. I bought this for $20 and it is the 100% Brazilian human hair blend. And it is the 36-inch, which is extremely long. I definitely wanted to do something dramatic. And like I said, just for fun. So I went ahead and got this. I was really surprised how inexpensive it was. So today we're gonna go ahead and try it. This is my first time doing it. I'm not an expert, but if you guys are interested on watching this video, just go ahead and continue watching. So first things first, you have to put some product in your hair to give it that nice, slick look. I got a couple of items. I had at home the Cheek Keratin Leave-In Conditioner, the Mane and Tail Hair Straightener, and hairspray. A couple brushes that I have is this wooden paddle one. This is actually my husband's, and I've seen a lot of people use these kind of brushes, and one of these or something similar works as well, or just I guess a regular brush depending on what you want to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these products in my hair, and I actually have a mirror here that I'm gonna be looking at, so I'm gonna be looking off to the side. So here we go. Okay, so putting this, just putting this on my hair. Put some of this mane and tail. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush to kind of brush my hair down. Now that I have the product in my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up in a ponytail. And I'm just using a regular black hair tie. So let me see how I want it. And I'm gonna start using the comb as well to kind of get my hair nice and slick. I'm gonna put a little bit of hairspray because I have this little baby hairs that will not go away. I mean, you probably can't see them, but I see them. Put some hairspray. And I'll use this comb to get my hair looking a little bit sleeky. And I'm going to use this brush to really get in there. So the next thing is you have to get your hair in a bun, or you can also braid it. I'm just going to go ahead and do a bun. And try to get it as small as you can, because obviously with the ponytail that you're going to go ahead and attach, it's going to make it a little bit more fuller, but I'm going to just go ahead and try to make this bun as small as possible. And I definitely have some little baby hairs. I mean, I don't know how else I could put this down. I think it should be fine. So hopefully you guys can see this. I took it out of the box, and here are 2 hair clips that you're supposed to use to insert into your hair, and the elastic, the little elastic band. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and insert this clip. Get in there nice and snug. And then I'm gonna try to get the bottom and clip it onto my hair as well. Okie dokie. And now I'm going to tighten my hair. Okay. The trick to make it look more natural is you grab one of pieces of hair. Let me go ahead, I guess I do this one. This is by far one of the hardest things I have to do. Oh gosh. I'm just trying to wrap it around the hair to give it that, I guess you could say, natural look. Now using clips. It's like, I'm trying. It's not the best, but oh God. I seriously give props to all you girls or guys that do this, because this is ridiculous. I am struggling so bad to do this. It's gonna come out so bad. I'm seriously trying. Can you see this? It probably looks weird from the back too. Okay, so I'm going to get off camera and I'm gonna try to redo this again really quick. You guys just saw what I did. I clipped it from the top, clipped it from the bottom, and then I twirled some hair around to give it that natural look, and then I tied it. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and try this again. This is how it looks. I mean, I think it looks nice, but it could be so much more cleaner, so much more like, my hair is not slick. There's like bumps, I don't know if you can see it. And this poor hair, I like tangled and mangled it. I don't even want to look at the back, because I'm pretty sure the back looks horrendous. I'm gonna go ahead and just work with it and take some pictures with it, and then I will try to see if I could post them up here for you. Thank you guys so much for watching my Ariana Grande ponytail tutorial. It was my first time and it was really hard, I'm not gonna lie. And I will be trying to do this again and hopefully I get better. If you guys are interested in buying this ponytail, I will go ahead and try to link it down below for you or something similar. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.